If you control these 5 things, you'll be able to control your nafs. Number 1, don't talk too much. Talking too much causes your nafs to overpower you. Only talk when necessary. Number 2, don't laugh too much. Too much laughter causes your nafs to overpower you. Number 3, don't eat too much. Eating too much causes your nafs to overpower you. Only eat that which you require to stay alive. Eating so much food, just for the sake of it, it causes your nafs to overpower you and it will lead you down a dangerous path. You'll become an animal. Number 4, don't sleep too much. Sleeping too much, it causes the nafs to overpower you. All these things you need to be moderate in. When you're moderate in them, that is how you discipline the soul. You give the soul only that which it needs, not anything more than that. But there's a 5th point that I'm going to add to that, which is part of disciplining the soul. The soul is like a child. Sometimes you have to treat the child for it to listen to you, for it to obey you, right? So just like that, your nafs, you have to treat it, give it certain things that it likes, that are mubah, that are halal, within moderation. Things that it enjoys. Don't be extreme and prevent it from everything, because if you prevent your soul from all that which it desires, which is halal, it won't allow you to worship Allah. That's what Ibn Qayyim rahmatullah alayhi says. He says that the nafs, you must give it some things that it enjoys, that it likes, that it desires, which are mubah, halal. A bit of it, so that it allows you to worship Allah. Otherwise, it will rebel against you. It won't allow you to worship Allah, tabarak wa ta'ala. It will make it difficult for you.